amazing viewers of Miss Wow. Today we have a sparkling style journey just for proud moms who want to shine on the big day. We are talking about taupe, mother of the bride dresses, the secret color that flatters everyone without stealing the spotlight. Picture sunlight wrapped around you in silky fabric. Remember to like, share and subscribe to keep our fashion family growing. Now let's celebrate elegance together. First, let's talk about the magic of taupe. This gentle mix of beige and gray is calm, classy, and never too bright. Taupe lets the bride glow while mom still looks polished and proud. It matches silver hair, brown hair, and every skin tone in between. You can pair taupe with gold shoes for warmth or silver jewelry for cool shine. No wonder designers call it their secret piece color. When choosing your taupe dress, think about shape first. A-line gowns are safe heroes because they glide over hips and let you move easily from hugs to happy dance. If you love vintage charm, try T-length with lace sleeves. It sways like a storybook page. For modern sparkle, a sleek sheath with beads can wow without weight. Every silhouette in taupe tells the same calm, confident message. I belong here. Fabric also matters. Chiffon feels light like soft wind and is perfect for summer garden weddings. Satin shines more and looks rich in evening halls under fairy lights. Lace adds gentle patterns that photograph beautifully and hide little wrinkles you may worry about. Stretch crepe gives comfort for sitting at long dinners yet keeps a polished line. Whatever fabric you pick, taupe acts like a quiet filter, smoothing every texture. Accessories can change the mood. Because taupe is neutral, you can add a pop of color like dusty rose heels or a mint clutch for playful charm. Pearls always look gentle and tie in classic romance, while crystal earrings catch disco lights on the dance floor. If you prefer simple style, nude pumps and a soft shawl keep everything calm. Remember, balanced details let the bride remain the brightest star. Thank you for joining Miss Wow on this taupe adventure. I hope these simple tips help you find a dress that feels like a warm hug and looks like glow. When you walk your child down the aisle, remember that your smile matters most, not any fabric tag. For shopping, Amazon affiliated links sit below in the description. I earn a small commission, and you pay nothing extra.